So the first thing you're going to need is your t-shirt and the design that you'd like to apply to your shirt. So today I'm going to be using this Hello Summer design. And when I put and try to figure out placement of my design on my shirt, I use my 4-finger rule, which is taking 4 fingers, starting at the collar and going to the top of the design. And wherever this is where I place my design on my shirt. I feel like this works really well for me with placing, so hopefully it'll work for you too. So yeah, after you do that, go ahead and tape it down and then move over to the heat press where we will press this 400 degrees for 1 minute. And here is the design. And then after that, I'll take butcher paper, and I'm going to cover the design on top just so that it won't be affected by the next press and the tie-dye. So we're going to start at each corner and we are going to work our way in, scrunching it from the corner to the interior part of the shirt. And I'll show you in a minute what that looks like after I'm done and before I press it, just to kind of give you an idea of what we're going for. But just kind of work it in, work with the shirt, scrunch it into a big old circle. Okay, this is what it looks like. And I'm now going to take my tie-dye printed image. I just Googled the tie-dye image and printed the one that I liked. And I'm going to place that on top, just like so. And now grab another piece of butcher paper and put that on top of your tie-dye image before you press so that you don't mess up your heat press. And then we're going to press it again at 400 degrees for another minute. And we are done. So let's pull it off and take a look at what we have. Ta-da! So we're gonna go ahead and just start peeling off the corners here because it's good and pressed. And here we go, our finished product. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe.